Hi guys, it's Hani here, and today I prepared for you another cookie decorating tutorial, and we're going to make these beautiful glass dome succulent cookies. To make the cookies I used my sugar cookie dough recipe, and to decorate I'm using royal icing. Both of these recipes can be found on my blog, link is in the description box under the video. And now let's get started with today's tutorial. First we're going to make the glass portion. So I'm starting with white royal icing. I'm using 15-second consistency. If you are new to cookie decorating and have no idea what 15-second consistency is, you can also check out my detailed tutorial that I have on my YouTube channel, and I cover all the topics in regards to consistencies, how to use different consistencies in cookie decorating, how to thin royal icing. And if you are more of a reader than watcher, you can also check out my blog post. I have a step-by-step tutorial on the subject as well, and both links are in the description box under the video. Now we're going to add some shading, so I'm piping also 15-second consistency light blue royal icing onto the white base, and with a scribe needle tool blend the blue into the white. You could also use an airbrush if you have an airbrush, and just airbrush the edges with sky blue airbrush color. I'm going to let this crust for about 2 hours or so, and then we can start working on the succulents. I'm starting with dark green royal icing, and I'm using thicker consistencies. This is just so the icing doesn't spread and we don't have the cave-ins. And to make the stripes, I'm dipping tip of my needle tool into a lighter green, and I'm running it through wet dark green, creating vertical lines. In order to have definition between the sections, we have to let the neighboring sections crust first. I'm going to let these crust, and then we can pipe the section between them. To color my royal icing, I used forest green. You can also use moss green, Jupiter green. There are so many different greens on the market. You can also mix your own colors by adding a touch of black, touch of ivory. You can make really bright green, like a lime green, by adding some yellow to it. So you can really play with different colors and create different shades of green. Succulents come in such a wide variety of colors, so have fun with it. After this I'm going to let it crust again. This will take maybe 15-20 minutes because these are rather small sections, and then we can add small white dots. Now if you don't want your white dots to have points or spikes, I would suggest that you use icing that is about 20-25-second consistency. This way you shouldn't have any spikes at all. Now we're going to make a leaf tip. So I'm cutting a V shape into a piping bag, and then you can fill your piping bag with thicker royal icing to make the leaves. You don't want the icing to be too thin because then the leaves will blend together. To create this sage color, I used leaf green, and I added a touch of black food coloring to it. Some of the succulents you can prepare ahead of time. These are called royal icing transfers. I'm using dark green and stiff royal icing and piping star shapes onto the parchment. And then once the outer layer is dry or at least crusted, you can start adding some red and white dots. And then allow these to dry overnight, and then you can simply remove them from the wax paper and use them to decorate your cookies. So to decorate the bottom, I'm just gonna spread a thin layer of royal icing. I'm using white royal icing, and this is about 15-second consistency. I'm using food only paintbrush, and you just need a thin layer of royal icing. So if you added too much, don't worry about it. You can scrape it off and wipe it into a clean paper towel. And I'm going to be adding some edible sand. To make the sand, you can use pretty much any cookie that is like a sand color. You can use graham crackers, tea cookies, butter cookies, and then process these in a food processor, and then you can sift it to remove any big chunks and use this fine cookie sand to decorate your cookies. Just give it a little tap to get rid of the excess. To attach decorations, I'm brushing away some of the cookie sand to expose icing underneath, so the decorations will stick to the surface. To make the flowers, you can either use red royal icing, or you can utilize cute little heart sprinkles and use those instead to make the flowers. And that's how you can make these glass dome succulent cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, for all the recipes, you can visit my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.